Welcome or welcome back to Dear Crafty. This is me Shahina and this is your Sharuk. In this video we're gonna see how to make a cloth bag. If you're new to this channel, then click that subscribe button, click the bell icon near to the subscribe button and click all to never miss the current updated videos. For making a beautiful cloth bag, here I'm gonna take a stiff base cloth. So this is what I'm gonna choose. Now the portion that I cut is my back portion of the bag. And now the next part of the cloth is going to be the down portion. So you can cut according to the breadth and length that you need. This is my down portion. And the next portion is my front portion. Since we're going to make a cloth bag, here I'm going to show you an example. So this cloth, the front portion, not only for the front portion, for every of the cloth that you took. So see, the thread comes out. So when you make the bag also, the same thing happens. So what you will have to do is that you have to fold a little bit and you have to thread it out. Not only for the back portion, for every of the portions that you made. So now the thread that you will have to use is not the normal thread. You will have to take a thick thread. So you will find this in a stitching shop or in a fancy store. I got it in the fancy store. So the same thing you can ask for. You will have to just fold this cloth and you will have to thread this out with the thread. So you can do in your own style of threading. I am just using this style, whatever style that you are familiar in. If you want, you can also use the style that I am threading. So if you don't want, then you can leave it. You can skip this out. So look very carefully and do it. Now I just shown you only on one side of the cloth. You will have to do this for all the sides. Guys, now look, here's a cloth. So every sides are being stitched, but one side of the cloth is not being stitched because that is starting of the cloth that is not being stitched because of it. Now not only for this back portion, for every other portion it's completed. See, this is the front portion of our cloth. Here also it is completed. And our down portion of the cloth, here also it is completed. Now what we are going to do is that we are just going to cover this with a cloth. You can prefer any of the design of a cloth. I preferred this. Now before we stick this cloth to our base cloth, we will have to do one thing. So I'll just explain you now. Here this is the cloth. So the starting of the cloth, this you are not supposed to fold. So this doesn't problem at all. But here the side of the cloth, here you could see the thread comes out. So you can't directly stick it. You will have to fold it. Either you can thread it out or you can stick it out with a gum. Guys, so let's get started with the folding of the cloth. We will be needing this fabric glue. So you will have to stick it like this in the edge of the cloth. So not only for this, every sides of the cloth it's been done except the starting of the cloth. So now I'm going to stick it to this cloth, the front portion. I'm going to stick it. So stick it with the same glue that I said for you, the fabric glue. It's especially made for the fabric. That's why we are just using this glue. Now we have sticked this for this one. Now for the back portion and for the down portion as well. So look here. The back portion is also been done and now the down portion. So here look, the down portion. So now one more thing we're going to do, we're going to iron the cloth. Why? Because we doesn't know that whether this comes back or not, because we just sticked it. To make it so stiff with the cloth, with the base cloth, we're going to just iron it so that it never comes out. Guys, now when you turn this cloth, you will see the base cloth. But what I did is that I just also covered the cloth with this cloth, my normal designed cloth. So this is being done for all of the portion of the cloth. So why? Because to just show when we open the bag, we should never see the base cloth. So that's why. Now I'm gonna iron it to stiff that out. Guys, now our ironing job is completed. Now I'm going to show you my idea of making the bag. So this is our back portion. Down of the back portion we are going to place the down portion, and top of the down portion we are going to place the front portion. So here this is how my bag idea is. So now we are going to stitch this off. So we'll show you. See, this is how you'll have to stitch as I'm showing here. So look, this is how. Here one stitch and another stitch, 2 stitches. With the thick thread, you will have to stitch it. So I used here black because I just got black only. If you get blue, according to your color of your cloth, you can do it. I didn't get blue, so I am doing with black. Guys, to make our bag so looky and to just have excess amount of things kept inside it, we are gonna make a pocket. So in the back portion down area, we are going to make a pocket. So here I did every of the sticking part and all. So I folded and sticked with the glue, and another top layer alone I'm going to stitch it with the thread. Now we are going to make this pouch in the form of elastic manner. So I got this elastic in the fancy store. You will have to size it according to the pocket that it comes. So cut it. And now you will have to insert this elastic inside this layer. You can't directly insert this elastic into the layer. You will need the help of this safety pin. Then only easily you can insert. So look and insert it. After the safety pin is inserted to one end and to the another end of the cloth, you will have to stitch the starting of the cloth. So here it's been stitched, and when you drag, when you pull, so here you could see the elastic forms. So this is how you will have to do it. So this side, the another end should also be stitched, and then you will have to remove the excess amount of the elastic. Our elastic pocket is done. Now wherever you want you can place, and you can stick this with the help of the fabric glue. Dry this for up to 10 minutes after your stick, and here's our pocket is ready. So you can keep whatever things you want. Guys, we are almost done. So our bag is gonna be ready. So one more thing is to be done. As you could see here, a gap. What's there? Yeah, the side to be filled. So what you will have to do, we have to prepare the sides. So for preparing the sides, we are going to take the cloth. So this cloth you will have to measure according to the bag of the side that you need. So this is the side that I need. So now we are going to cut this off. As usual, you're going to just take and you're going to fold 3 of the sides, so with the fabric glue, and one of the side is going to be like the pocket that we made for this bag. So how was the pocket? So we're going to make the elastic sides. So you will have to thread one of the side alone. So stitch it with the thick thread, or you can also use machine, no problem in it. And now we are going to insert the elastic. So elastic, normally you know how to insert because you did for the pocket. So the same thing to be done. You will have to cut according to the size you will need for the elastic. Then with the help of the safety pin, you will have to insert it, and you will have to stitch both the sides. And now you will have to cut the excess amount of the elastic. So after this is done, your elastic sides will be ready. One side for the bag is completed. We are supposed to prepare for the another one. So after it's been prepared, you are supposed to stitch the sides to the bag. So after it is done, see, look, I did it. So right side, left side, down, everywhere I stitched it with the help of the thick thread that I had. So this will be somehow difficult because of my base cloth, because it is so stiff. That's why. Guys, now we are going to make the handle for the bag. So one side is been done, I made it. So for the other side, I'll show you how to make it. I here prefer chain. So this will be available either in the fancy store, or if it is not available, then you can buy in Amazon or any online shops. So I'll show you how to make this. Take end of the chain and here take any cloth you have in this way, and you will have to insert it and you will have to stick this with the fabric glue after it is dried up very well. So look, here it is dried up very well. Now you're gonna stick this directly into the bag. So here this part you are supposed to stick as here we did. See, here I did already. So this part as where you have to do here. You will have to place the fabric glue. After you are placed with this, you should not immediately pull the handle. You will have to dry it for some time. Hey everyone, so we are almost done. We are going to be end with this bag making. So now we are going to fix the lock. The most important thing for a bag is lock. So without it, it is incomplete. So now what we are going to do is that we are just going to sellotape it in a right measurement. You will have to sellotape it for the other side also. So look here, keep it in the right place and sellotape it. Now after this is done, in the middle, so this is the lock that I'm going to fix for my bag. So I got this in Amazon. If possible, I'll just link you in the description, so you can go and check it. So here you will have to fix it very tightly. This is the top portion, so fix it if you got this kind of lock. Now it's the turn for the down portion. So up portion is almost completed. When you drag it, it never comes back. So in such a way I did it. Now the down portion. So this also you will have to measure it correctly and you will have to place it. So look, the needle that's been there, so it does. Just take a marker or something which identifies you much and place it. So mark it accordingly. Now you will have to make a hole there. You will have to make a hole. Since this is a cloth, it's very easy for you to make a hole in whatever you have. So I made it with the scissor. Now you can insert the needle and you could see here inside. So there you can bend it out. So the same thing down also. So this will be very easy. See, now you could see it inside. So you will have to bend it. So this will be ready, the down portion. After you bend it out, it will be so much ready. So that's all. This is how you will have to fix the lock to your bag. Guys, now you can bring this, you can just insert it. When you want to take this, you can just press it and you can take it. So it's in the same height, length, everything is measured very correctly. So when you take this also, it never comes. So it's a perfect lock. Guys, so now our bag is ready. If you want, you can leave it as such. So our bag is ready because it has the lock, chain, handle, everything is done, sides, everything is done. But some people would like to decorate it more and more. So if you like, then you can add up the lace to it. So this lace, you will find it in every place like fancy stores or stitching shops, whatever, you will be finding this lace. So if you want, wherever you want, you can just stick it with the help of the fabric glue. So if you want, guys, many people don't like to have lace in their bag, so those people can skip this out. If you want, you can do this. So I made this. You can see it, you can just get to know from this whether you can make the lace or not. So from here you can know. Now I'm gonna keep some of my things inside this bag. So first of all, my pouch. So this pouch will be somehow bigger. How is it moving in? So because of this sides, because the sides are elastic. So when we keep our things, it just goes in very properly. Then my phone, then this cooling glass without even the case, you can just keep in because we have our safety pouch. So whatever things, even your spectacles, your cooling glass, whatever you want, you can keep it in our safety pouch. So yeah guys, this is our bag with lace. Do you want to see without lace? Guys, here's the bag without the lace. So from this video itself, you can get to know whether you can fix the lace or you don't want it. Hope after you see this video, you'll make a beautiful bag. If you are ready to make, then comment below. Also comment below that you like the bag with lace or without lace. So if you like this video, then subscribe, like, comment, share and click the bell icon to never miss the current updated videos. Tata and bye bye.